How to replace the motor. 1. Remove the motor. 2. Installing the new motor. How to control the curtain motor with the remote. 1. Check if the remote control batteries are installed correctly. 2. Plug in the power cord of the curtain motor and long press the motor button for more than 3 seconds until the indicator light stays on. 3. Press the P2 button on the remote control and confirm the indicator light on the motor flashes. Once to complete the pairing between the remote control and the motor. 4. Operate the remote control to run the curtain track for a full stroke and verify the remote control function. App connected successfully but can't control the motor. Fixed in 1 minute. 1. First, confirm if the curtain track has been extended. If so, follow the subsequent steps. 2. Check if the device is connected to a 2.4G Wi-Fi network and confirm the network connection is normal. 3. Operate the motor. Short press the motor button 4 times, then long press it for more than 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes and the motor enters the network configuration mode. 4. Open the Google Home app. Scan the QR code to add the device to the home. Wait patiently for the completion of addition, and the device name can be customized. 5. If the track is extended, reset the stroke with the remote control. Press P2 button gives close button gives P2 button to trigger track reset. 6. Let the track run for a full stroke again, and the motor will memorize the total length of the track as well as the opening and closing positions. 7. Open the Home app. Adjust the curtain opening and closing ratio, e.g. 50%, and verify the app control function.